Welcome back, folks. I've got great news. If you've been riding with me, then you're probably eligible for this DIM airdrop, this dimension airdrop that's about to happen right here. And I'm going to show you guys how to claim this and if you might be eligible for this. So without further ado, and if you don't think you're eligible, you might be eligible because a lot of people are eligible for this. So I'm going to show you right here how you can claim free tokens just like the Jito airdrop. Right here, right now, smash that like button, stick around. We're getting right into it. We are on to the Genesis roll drop season, right, guys? We're right in here, genesis.dimension.xyz. If you're staked on any one of these chains, Cosmos, Celestia, Osmosis, you're gonna be eligible for this airdrop most likely. Now here is what Leap Wallet looked like for me. This was my Leap Wallet on my other computer right here. You can check your eligibility right there. You can basically auto-fill it. They'll have an option for you to look and see if you're eligible for this. If you log into your Leap Wallet, there should be an option. This is time sensitive. You've only got 10 days to do this. This ends on the 21st. If you didn't claim this by the 21st, you're not going to get your tokens. That's just one of my wallets, and that wallet is eligible for, what is that, 250 tokens at least? 255 tokens. Now I've got 3 wallets that I believe are eligible, so that is somewhere near 1,000 tokens, and these tokens are estimated to be worth $5 per token. So that is some serious chatter. We're gonna get $5 grand quite possibly. And by the way, that is the minimum amount that you're gonna receive. If not enough wallets claim this, then the rest of the tokens that are in that pool are gonna get distributed between all of us. So these are the minimum numbers, those numbers right there, that 205 and all that. So without further ado, let's dive into this and see if you are eligible and why you would be eligible for this. And by the way, a significant allocation, 70 million DIM tokens are going to be airdrops right here. So we're getting a lot of these tokens. Now, most of my tokens came from Celestia. The 205 that I had right here, if you guys look, the 205 was from my Celestia wallet. I got a small one. Smallest one was Osmosis right there. So Celestia right there is actually going to pull you guys the most, and all you had to do is be staked in either a Leap wallet or a Kepler wallet. I was staked. Fortunately, I was staked since before their snapshot on December 19th. Right there, users who staked TIA as of December 19th, right? So that's what you're going to get there. You'll also get it if you participated in Arbitrum and Optimism. You can read through this. I'm going to leave the link for this right here. You guys can read through this extensively. Eligibility on this allocation is based on the user's activity in rollups, funds, and multi-sig bridge contracts in previous airdrop lists. So, yeah, if you were in the Arbitrum airdrop, you're probably going to get this airdrop too. It's basically like a 2-for-1. So you're probably already eligible. Cosmos, that's where I'm also eligible. Atom stakers are going to get it. So look at Osmosis stakers are getting 2.5 million. Cosmos stakers are getting 15 million. That would explain why in here you see that this amount was double this amount, because they're actually getting a lot more allocation than Osmosis. So basically, if you had been staked in any of those, Celestia, Cosmos, Osmosis, you're eligible automatically. If you participated in the roll-ups and activity on the chain, then you're going to also be eligible. And also Solana, if you were a participator on Solana. Now, one of my wallet addresses on Solana was not eligible, but I don't think I was using it that early on. Check your Solana wallet addresses, because if you guys participated in a bunch of different functions with your Solana wallet address, you guys are probably going to be able to be eligible for this as well, including Wormhole, Tensor, and Drip, including. So it's not just those ones. Just check, because you can come right in here and pick any one. You hit Solana and you just paste your wallet address and you can check to see if you're eligible. I'll show you how one works right here. Do I have one that I can show you how it works right here? No, I don't have one that I can show you how it works. If I pulled open my Kepler wallet, I can just come right into my Kepler wallet. I can copy my address, my Celestia address, and we'll slap my Celestia address in there, paste that puppy. We'll check to see if we're eligible. Congratulations, we are now eligible. All right, so now we're going to connect our wallet. We'll connect this Kepler wallet. Look at, now they see it. Now we can claim. Scroll through here. You got to read the terms and conditions. You hit accept at the bottom. right? And then this part where you could actually connect your MetaMask or Trust wallet. This is where your tokens are going to be distributed. These tokens that you're eligible for are going to be distributed to this. Now, the guy that showed me how to do this didn't show me where to send the tokens, but you could just punch in your MetaMask, and because it's an Ethereum compatible, MetaMask is Ethereum compatible, so automatically MetaMask will work. You could either paste your address in here or you can connect it manually. I'm going to go ahead and pull that over, and then boom, you are actually eligible. We are eligible right here for this airdrop. 205 dim we are going to be eligible for right here, and then you can go ahead and just hit claim more airdrops. Then you're going to go on and you're going to do your Cosmos. You have to do them each individually. Make sure you're in here doing each one of these individually. You'll just come on, it's super easy. Just hit copy, hit paste, check, and then boom, you're not eligible. Okay, the time you're not in, but it's not over because I don't think I had any Cosmos on there. Let me see if I had any Osmo. So we got the first one on this wallet. We got all three of them. As you can see, we got all three of them on here, but this one, it looks like we were only eligible through Celestia because that was my Celestia wallet that I had right there. So guys, if you guys were holding any wallets like that, you guys are going to be eligible for this thing right here. That's basically everything that you guys need to know right there. You could just keep trying all your wallet addresses, your Ethereum, your Solana address. Like I said, if you guys participated on chain doing any functions, you guys are probably eligible for this. So definitely check, see what you guys got. And I hope you got some value. Smash that like button if you got some value. I got a lot more airdrops coming for you guys in the future here. Like I said, DIM is probably going to be worth $5 a token. So the fact that it just claimed 205 live here in front of you guys, that's over $1,000 worth of tokens if I held it to the $5 mark. And that's the minimum that I'm going to get. And that's to say that it only goes to $5. We're in a bull market. So anything can happen here, guys. We can make a serious amount of money. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and have a good day.